how to create a Facebook page. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's actually very easy. Okay, let's start. To create a Facebook page, we need to go to menu by clicking on the 3 lines icon here at the upper right corner. You can actually create a new Facebook page directly by clicking on Create New Profile or Page. In some cases, if you cannot find it here, you can scroll down and click on See More, and there's a Pages navigation here. You need to click on it. We are now on the Pages tab. All we have to do here is to click on the Create button here. Here we have 2 options. We will not choose the first option, because we are not creating another Facebook profile. Instead, we will select the second one, which is creating a public page. And after this, just click Next. We are now going to give a name for our new Facebook page. You can name your page whatever you want. Once done, click Next. The first setting that we are going to set up for our page is the category. My page is only for entertainment, so I'm going to search entertainment here, and I'm going to select whichever you want because you can just change this later if you want. You can select many categories, but I'm going to select just one, and after this click Create. Here we have 2 options. Again, select the first option. If you are a business owner, then you want to sell or promote a product for this page. But if this page is not for your business, you only want to create content and build an audience. In that case, select the second one. After it, click Continue. You can provide a bio for your page. You can actually put whatever you want. It's up to you. You can put your contact information here, such as email and phone number, and also your location and address. But for now, you can just leave these blank because you can update this information anytime you want. After creating this page, including the locations ours, now let's click Next. You will be asked to upload a profile picture. So let's upload a picture by clicking on the camera icon here. I'm going to choose this picture. It's done. You can also update your cover photo, but I'm going to leave it for now because I can just do it later. Let's click Next. Here you can invite your Facebook friends to like your page, but I'm not doing it for now. I'll just skip it and click Next. Also, just skip this. Click Next here. Make sure to keep this turned on so that you will receive notifications on your Facebook profile from your Facebook page. And now let's click Done. We are now switching account to our new Facebook page. One thing to keep in mind is that your Facebook page is another Facebook profile under the same Facebook account. If you want to go back to your Facebook profile, you can go to Menu. Click on the drop-down icon. Just click on your Facebook profile to switch account, and to go back to your page again, just repeat the same process. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing to support the channel. Thanks, and take care.